guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you what I eat in a day, the portion, the type of food that I eat often in Omad diet. Even though the people say the Omad diet says you can eat whatever it is that you want, in as much as you're eating once in a day, I still watch because it is so difficult for me to lose weight. So because of that, I still watch what I eat, and I enjoy my meal. I make sure that it's something that I make it in a way that it will be so delicious and I will enjoy eating it. So today guys, I am eating a piece of grilled chicken. This is a whole leg of chicken, a whole one. I'll bring it close to the camera. This is it. And then I'm going to be eating it with this super rich salad. Okay guys, this is the way. In between this video, I'm going to be inserting some clips on how I made this salad. I made a video out of it already. It's on the channel. If you have not seen it, just follow the link up. You will see the video popping out somewhere. Just go ahead and learn how you can make this amazing salad. The thing is that even if you decide that you do not want to eat chicken, or you don't want to, just in case you're not on Omad diet and you do not want to eat with chicken, this is a whole meal. I made it in a way that if you had lunch or you had breakfast, you can as well eat this. If you had a very heavy breakfast or you had a very heavy lunch, you can as well eat this as meal. So guys, come and join me as I enjoy my meal. So guys, I started the Omad diet a month ago. And it has not been easy. It has not been easy. One of the highest challenge is trying not to eat at work. Trying not to eat when others are eating. It is so difficult. The Omad diet for me is super easy, but the challenging thing is that if you do a very tedious work, if your job is very tedious, and maybe in the afternoon you will want to eat something, it is very difficult to hold your hunger. So what I do is that in the morning, I have a particular drink that I take in the morning that will suppress hunger. Because if I'm feeling the same way, there's any possibility that I will break my rules. So what I do in the morning is that I take this particular drink to control my appetite. And this drink does not contain sugar. In some cases, you can use honey, but it doesn't contain sugar. Guys, this is super delicious. Believe me. Guys, you have to check out this recipe. The recipe for this salad, you have to check it out. It's something that you will love. Guys, this chicken is very, very big and super peppery. So I make sure that I add a lot of pepper into it. Guys, it's summer. Okay, excuse me. The sun has started shining, but honestly speaking, this is not normal. It's not normal that February we have a lot of sun, but it is time for salad. Once the weather is super hot or warm like this, oh, it's the best time to eat salad. Normally before, I don't know have issues eating a piece of chicken. I'll eat two. But once you're on Omad diet, your body starts adapting to the fact that, first of all, it doesn't need food to survive all the time, like the whole day. And secondly, you just want that your portion will keep on naturally reducing itself. Because even when you feel that you're very hungry, you just bring out the food and your stomach is no longer big enough to consume all the food. Okay guys, this is not how I eat every day. I do not eat salad every day. This is just one of the meals that I eat. I eat rice, I eat swallow, that means banku or fufu. Anyway, I don't eat fufu. Even without the weight loss, I do not eat fufu because if you have been following me for a very long time, you know that I have issue with digestion. So I do not eat fufu. I eat katofi puree. Katofi puree is Irish potato meal, so flour. So that is what I eat, and it's super light. And sometimes I mix it with psyllium husk to get that bonding effect, so that it will mold properly like original fufu. If you don't add psyllium husk, it will not mold, and I will not enjoy it. Guys, this is so delicious. You will not understand how delicious this is. Guys, I have done justice to this chicken, honestly. And before I roasted it, I spiced it very well. Okay guys, do not think that I will throw this chicken away. This one. You see this bone? I will still eat it. This part, I will still eat it. Don't think that I'm going to throw it away. After this video, I will go and sit down and enjoy it. So don't be deceived. Me, I can never throw chicken like this away. Even though I'm using fork and knife, this one I'm just doing it because of the video. Even when I use fork and knife, after I will still go and put this one, I will still go and eat it and suck all the bone. That is the most interesting. That is the most delicious aspect of the chicken, when you are cracking the bone. Guys, try this salad recipe. You will come back and tell me thank you. Guys, if you try this recipe, this salad recipe, if you try it, you will never eat boring salad anymore. Okay, banana. Oh. So guys, I enjoyed this meal. On the Omad diet, I would advise that you eat what you want to eat. Control the portion, work out, and most especially, choose the time of eating. If you prefer to take your once in a meal in the morning, it is okay. If you decide to eat it in the afternoon, it is okay. If you decide to eat it in the evening, I prefer to eat in the evening after I might have gone to work, come back, or school, come back. Then I can relax and eat in peace. Okay, and eat whatever it is that I feel like eating. So guys, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, guys, go and check the recipe for this salad. I'm very sure that you will love it. Thank you so much for stopping by, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.